Viewers, there seems to be no end to infighting in the Congress. High drama was witnessed outside Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee office as several workers staged a protest. The protest was against Congress candidate from Delhi Northwest seat, Udit Raj. High drama was witnessed outside the Congress office as several workers were unhappy with Udit Raj's candidature. Supporters of Congress leader Rajkumar Chauhan staged a protest. Udit Raj has been given a ticket from Delhi Northwest constituency. Our reporter was there, and this is a report that taps into the mood of those who had gathered to protest.
Congress is contesting 3 seats in the national capital. JP Agrawal, Kanhaiya Kumar and Udit Raj have been nominated by Congress party to contest the 3 seats. But here, these are the scenes at Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee headquarters where few Congress supporters have gathered against Udit Raj and Kanhaiya Kumar, saying that outsiders are not welcome in Delhi Congress and the ticket should have been given to the local leaders. Let's try and talk to a few people and understand. Sir, आप यहाँ पे protest क्यों कर रहे हैं?
मुझे बताएंगे हमारे
सर यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट क्यों हो रहा है?
यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट इसलिए हो रहा है कि जब कांग्रेस ने इंटरनल सर्वे कराया, दिल्ली प्रदेश ने सर्वे कराया कि जो लोकल कैंडिडेट है उसको चाहते हैं कि टिकट मिले और एक साजिश के तहत ये उदित राज को टिकट दे दी गई है। देखो आप सबको बता, राहुल गांधी जी पूरे देश को घूम घूम के एक जोड़ रहे हैं। ये उनके खिलाफ साजिश हो रही है, जानबूझ के इनको हराया जा रहा है। आज 1 हफ्ता हो गया टिकट डिक्लेयर हुए, कोई भी हलचल एरिया के अंदर नहीं है। ऐसे डमी कैंडिडेट को उतारने का क्या फायदा?
उदित राज या और कन्हैया कुमार?
उदित राज की बात चल रही है यहाँ पे। कन्हैया कुमार कौन सा? वो भी तो बाहर का ही है, जिसको बिहार में टिकट नहीं यहाँ दे दी। अरे वहाँ पे उत्तर पश्चिमी पूर्वी दिल्ली में कैंडिडेट नहीं है, इतने सारे कैंडिडेट हैं जो 20-25 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, उनको टिकट दो ना, उसको ढा के दे दिया।
So you heard it here. The protesters say that outsiders have been given ticket in Delhi, and the Congress party is not very happy with that.
Times Now spoke exclusively to Congress leader and party candidate from Delhi Northwest, Udit Raj. He demanded disciplinary action against those who were protesting.
I don't know who they are, what they are doing. I came here to address the press conference. Now it is up to the president and in charge of campaign committee to look into this. What are their grievances?
They are also saying that they are against the candidature of yours and they are demanding a ticket for Rajkumar Chauhan. What do you want to say about it, sir? Because
So party high command has decided on the basis of the facts and figures. So what happened that everybody has right to claim it, but the way it is being done should not happen.
will you demand any disciplinary action against him, sir?
Certainly there should be disciplinary action.
Kanhaiya Kumar, Congress candidate from Delhi Northeast seat, addressed the media after the party meeting. He said that Congress candidates from Delhi are not from one seat but will support each other in the elections.
कांग्रेस नेतृत्व का कि उन्होंने हम तीनों साथियों को दिल्ली में जो कांग्रेस पार्टी के हिस्से में 3 सीट आई है उस पर एक उम्मीदवार के तौर पे चयनित किया है। मैं सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। हमको लगता है कि विकास के जिस गति को यूपीए सरकार ने आगे बढ़ाया था, न सिर्फ उस पे विराम लगाई गई है, बल्कि जो देश में धन संपत्ति पैदा हुआ पिछले 20 सालों में 10 साल के भीतर ही उसको निचोड़ करके कुछ गिने चुने 2-4 लोगों की तिजोरियों में पहुंचा दिया गया है।
Niyamika, you know, while there is infighting in Punjab, look at what is happening in the Delhi unit.
Absolutely, and the trouble is mounting for the Delhi Congress because today a protest had erupted when a press conference was being addressed. None other than Delhi Congress President Arvind Singh Lovely, along with the 3 candidates of the Congress party for the national capital. And at that point of time, a lot of workers and the leaders have gathered outside the office of the Delhi Congress, and they had started raising slogans against Udit Raj, as they are saying that he is an outsider. There should be any other candidate which should be given a ticket, which should be given this opportunity by the Congress High Command to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha elections from the Northwest constituency, as they were raising slogans in favor of Rajkumar Chauhan, who was also amongst the front runners from the Northwest constituency of Delhi. However, Udit Raj was being chosen by the Congress High Command, who is going to contest upcoming Lok Sabha elections. And when Times Now had spoken to Udit Raj exclusively, he said that there should be a disciplinary action which needs to be taken against all the protesters who are holding these protests outside the Congress office, because he was saying that all of these leaders had gathered at the Delhi Congress office to address a press conference. All of the three candidates were being there, but not just in today's press conference, but earlier also when a meeting was being called by the Delhi Congress in charge Deepak Babaria. At that point of time also, many of the senior leaders of the Delhi Congress had raised this demand that there should be a reconsideration over this distribution of tickets for the national capital seats, because not just Udit Raj, but there was also a protest which had erupted against Kanhaiya Kumar, none other than Sandeep Dixit, who is the son of the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dixit. He had started a war of words with Kanhaiya Kumar, and he said that because of his image regarding the alleged Tukde gang, it would surely going to make an impact on the Congress performance, not just in the Northeast constituency, but in the nearby constituencies as well. And for that reason, not just Kanhaiya Kumar, but also Udit Raj, there were certain leaders who had said that he doesn't deserve to be there because he had made certain controversial statements which can affect the party's performance in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
Right.
And a foul language was also
which is
being,
why, Niyamika, many in the BJP are taking pot shots at Rahul Gandhi and telling him what did the Nyaya Yatra, Bharat Jodo Yatra achieve when there's so much infighting in the Congress ranks.
I don't know who they are, what they are doing. I came here to address the press conference. Now it is up to the president and in charge of campaign committee to look into this. What are their grievances?
They are also saying that they are against the candidature of yours and they are demanding a ticket for Rajkumar Chauhan. What do you want to say about it, sir? Because
So party high command has decided on the basis of the facts and figures. So what happened that everybody has right to claim it, but the way it is being done should not happen.
will you demand any disciplinary action against him, sir?
Certainly there could be disciplinary action.
Kanhaiya Kumar, Congress candidate from Delhi Northeast seat, addressed the media after the party meeting. He said that Congress candidates from Delhi are not from one seat but will support each other in the elections.
कांग्रेस नेतृत्व का कि उन्होंने हम तीनों साथियों को दिल्ली में जो कांग्रेस पार्टी के हिस्से में 3 सीट आई है उस पर एक उम्मीदवार के तौर पे चयनित किया है। मैं सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। हमको लगता है कि विकास के जिस गति को यूपीए सरकार ने आगे बढ़ाया था, ना सिर्फ उस पे विराम लगाई गई है, बल्कि जो देश में धन संपत्ति पैदा हुआ पिछले 20 सालों में 10 साल के भीतर ही उसको निचोड़ करके कुछ गिने चुने 2-4 लोगों की तिजोरियों में पहुंचा दिया गया है।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।